Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is an updated video on the deck project, and this is going to be a short, get to the point video, so I don't want to talk too much. So the first video you may or may not have seen, it was like 20 minutes long and the audio was really bad. I didn't know this until I uploaded it on YouTube, that the audio was really high pitched and just annoying. So for this video you guys are going to see the before and after of our deck, and no mumbo jumbo. It's just going to get to the point, shown before and after. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day. So before we start, let's actually just do a walk around so you can see the difference here. All that grime, and we got most of the paint up. We'll probably go over this 2-3 times, the whole deck. So yeah, there's a lot of railing to do the whole way around. It's a pretty big deck. So yeah, this is how the deck looks before. Pretty nasty. I mean, everywhere's just nasty. Over here is not too bad, where the sun hits it more and it's not shaded, but still faded and just needs definitely cleaned up here. Alright, there's the before. Let's continue working. So, I am washed out, but we are done. One thing that has become very clear is that whoever painted this last skipped. So the camera died. Not sure where it died last, so okay. One thing that has become clear, whoever painted this last, or stained it, I mean last, were lazy farts. That's all I can say. The spots where the trees were, they skipped, literally skipped behind it. So basically what they did was they only did what was easy and simple for them. But that's no surprise, because since we purchased this house, we have come to find out that they halved everything. So they were what we call weekend warriors. So we've done a lot of upgrade. But I'm happy to say we are done. Just ignore the dirt that's from walking around. But yeah, you know, I love it because in the sun it looks one color and it looks darker maroon in the shade. Super happy. My wife and I are going to touch up some spots another day. So to stain it, I did it for the first full day, and it took me 6 hours and 3 1-gallon cans of paint, and a pint, so 3 gallons and a pint. And then we went to a store and got 3 more gallons of the paint, I mean stain, and I used 2.5, and we have about a half left, which is good for touching up. So as you can see, I taped off, unlike the other owners. They didn't tape off and they just got it everywhere on the siding. So yeah, you know, I'm very happy with how it turned out. It was a job. Took me 6 hours straight non-stop the first day. And today, let's see what time it is. Today my wife helped me for most of the day, and it's 2:45 p.m. right now, and I think we started at 10:30. So 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. Wow. So like 4 hours. Wow. Oh my gosh, that felt much longer. I got like paint. Can you guys see this? I have paint all over in my hair. Oh my gosh. Or stain. I keep saying paint. So yeah, you know, we need to touch up some stuff. But yeah, they skipped back in there, the old owners. A lot of stuff they skipped, and you could tell on the boards, on the wood where they skipped. But yeah, I'm super happy. But we just need to touch up now. I didn't do the lattice. I did not do the lattice because we're not sure if we're going to replace it or not. We're going to have to get more cans of paint for that, and I mean, that's tedious too. Oh good lord. So we might just actually buy maroon lattice, because it's just going to be so much simpler when we need to replace it. So that's why it looks a little dull. But yeah, it was a living nightmare getting behind these trees. I can see why the old owners did not want to do that, but you know, it has to be done. It's not something that you can just skip, you know, like they did. You shouldn't skip it because it's wood. You know, if you're skipping, then it's going to deteriorate quicker and rot quicker. But apparently they didn't care, which doesn't surprise us. So that was a job. That was a job. Even though 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'd say 10 to 12 total hours of actually working. About 3 hours of my wife helping me of those 10 hours, which I'm super grateful. She did a lot of the tedious stuff. I'm not a perfectionist, so she helped me do it like in between here. That was a pain in the butt, but she helped me do a lot of that stuff, and she did the top so I could just stand down here. So that was a big help for me. So I woke up with a pounding headache. The pounding headache still has not gone away. I'm just beat. I'm tired with work and everything. You know, it's been, as of this video, it's been over 2 weeks since I've actually had a break, just a full day break. Like, I've been non-stop. I haven't even been able to upload quality videos on YouTube. I've been so busy with stuff, and you know, I really need a break. And luckily tomorrow I have off, and I might touch up in the evening tomorrow, but I'm just working on YouTube and relaxing finally after 2+, actually it's probably been 3, yeah, I think it's 3 weeks since I've actually done anything on my main channel that's actually good quality. So I'm gonna clean up some of this stuff now, and oh my, and yeah, that's it. That's how she looks. I'm very happy with the outcome. Very happy. Now she's ready for next year for some parties. Yeehaw! Everyone's invited. So some of you guys